Hello everyone, welcome to Cool Wallet tutorial video. Today we will be talking about how to let your Cool Wallet Pro interact with your new device. When you're trying to make your Cool Wallet Pro interact with your new device, the new device application will require you to enter a pairing password. The pairing password can be found by pressing the setting and then press the card settings and then press pairing password. And then the application will require you to activate your Cool Wallet. After activating, the application will show you a set of pairing password. After the pairing password is shown, you can enter the pairing password into your new device, and then your new device can now interact with your Cool Wallet Pro. If you have any further question, please let us know and we will make another tutorial video. That's all for today. Goodbye.